One day, Tung Tung Sahur went to the laundry to wash his clothes. He saw a brand new shiny washing machine, and his eyes widened. He bent down and examined the machine closely, then said, "Oh, wow, this looks like a brand new gym machine." He opened the lid, stuck his arm inside, and started rotating it. 1, 2, 3. He was counting like a serious bodybuilder. Arm wash and workout, both in one. A moment later, he put both arms in and declared, "This is a full-body workout, bro." Meanwhile, someone recorded the whole thing on their phone. The video went viral on social media, and people laughed, saying, "That's not a washing machine, that's a wash gym." And just like that, TungTungSahur became the wash gym master.